I mean, we could just go across the street to the park right here. Oh, yeah, my cell phone ringing. Hold up.
Hi there. Still making it up as I go along. I have some tofu that I bought. The last time I bought tofu was a few years ago, and I may have not researched enough on how to season it or what was needed to make it taste good. It ended up being wasted. So I bought tofu again, and this time I'm realizing that with that product you have to soak it in seasoning. You have to soak it in a marinade, or if having a lot of flavor is something you need in your foods, and I need that, and I think a lot of people do. I think it's safe to say then if you're trying out tofu, you need to have it soaked, whether it be like if you're doing a soy sauce mixture with honey, or buffalo sauce, or a vinegar marinade, whatever it is, it needs to be soaked in there a minimum, I would say a minimum of 20 minutes. The longer it's soaked, the better. I have some leftover. I cooked it the other day, and I cut it up. It was real nice. Seasoned it, took a bite into it, and it was like bland. So I decided to cook it in. I put it in some like a ketchup and apple cider vinegar and pepper. I just put something together, soaked it in it, or cooked it down in it for a little bit, and then the couple days later, I seasoned those same pieces of tofu with progressive breadcrumbs, Italian style breadcrumbs. That's what I use. And I fried it, and it's much better tasting. It's still in the fridge. Nobody's eaten it except me. So because I don't want to waste it, I decided to put together a little wrap. So what I'm gonna do, all this to say this is what I'm gonna be doing. I have my little hummus here. Got my hummus. I love this product, Follow Your Heart Slices. It's the smoked Gouda brand. It is really good. I really like it. And then here are the tofu that I made and seasoned with breadcrumbs, and I cut them up into strips, so it looks like chicken strips. So they're not bad. I had some smoked salmon in there, and I was like, I forgot it was in there, so I don't want to waste it. So I'm definitely gonna put it in there. And I have my wrap. Aldi's is the bomb. That's where you go. So I'm gonna put it together, and I don't know what it's gonna taste like. I just didn't want to waste the food. I'm gonna put it together, and I'm gonna eat it because I don't want anything to waste. So I know I like all these things. I know I like everything here. Now to eat it and put everything together, that's another story. But you know what? I'm making it up as I go along. I just remembered I had some vegetables here, so I have some bell peppers, some mini bell peppers. I'm going to use those up. I'm going to season it with some olive oil real quick, and I don't know what the seasoning in there, and just boil it real fast so that they will be done, and then I'll add it to my wrap that I am building. I decided to use mayonnaise because I like the creaminess of mayonnaise, but I believe I'm going to start in the near future purchasing vegan-ades. Yeah, so to be continued. I just realized I forgot to put the salmon in. So I took a bite a while ago, but I didn't get any vegetables or tofu, so I'm going to take another bite. But so far, it tastes pretty good. So, there it is. Not bad. I love smoked Gouda cheese in general. Follow Your Heart brand. It's really good. Not bad. I'll do it again.